Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat volume is increasing automatically to max. So, in order to solve this issue, firstly you have to know the reason of the problem. There might be two reasons for this issue. The first one is the cluttered cache from your Snapchat app. Sometimes cache might be very problematic for your applications, and the second reason might be the bugs and errors into your Snapchat servers or application. Now in this video, I am going to show you how can you solve these two issues. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the first issue, just simply go to your settings and search for app settings into there. And after searching the app setting, go to all of the apps and simply find Snapchat into your app setting. After finding Snapchat into there, just simply go to this storage setting, then try clearing the cache for Snapchat application. Then this problem might be fixed. And after that, to solve the second problem, just simply open your Play Store application and then search Snapchat into there. And after that, if your Snapchat is showing this update option, just simply click to the update button. Then your problem in Snapchat will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.